Hi, this is Manuftg from Pondicherry. I finished my Masters in Product Design and Manufacturing in Pondicherry Engineering College, which is affiliated to Pondicherry Central University. My scope of my project in my Masters is about study on the machining parameters of electrical discharge machining using Inconel 600 with respect to response surface methodology. The aim of my project is about finding out the optimized value for machining the Inconel 600, and we have undergone some of the physical experience as well as some of the analytical experience which had carried out in my project level, and the graphs have been plotted with respect to input parameters as well as for the output responses. And I have 1 year of experience in product development as well as product development of some of the machine components such as conveyors, rotating equipments, and heavy machineries. In that, the role of my work is about entering into the customer's place and getting their needs as well as their idea about the project and developing a prototype regarding their project. After that, designing a 2D model and 2D as well as a 3D model in a CAD software and giving a presentation regarding their product and getting their suggestion after that. After completing it, just undergoing a production process with respect to the input, production process with respect to the design which we have undergone using some of the tools such as GD&T and developing the product with the help of 3D component, and the tool which we have used is SolidWorks as well as AutoCAD. Some of the major projects which I have worked in, some of the slack chain conveyors and belt conveyors as well as the screw conveyors which have been supplied for some of the major companies. And I have 3 months of experience in analytical tool in finite element analysis. I have very good exposure to hypermesh, which is helping us to do a pre-processing unit, as well as those processing. After pre-processing, those components are just subjected to post-processing process using some of the tools such as Radios, OptiStrect, as well as Nastron, Patron, etc. We have undergoing some of the real-time projects such as nose cone of an aeroplane as well as chassis of a truck, some of the doors of automobile, car as well as truck, and we are just working with many of the components related to automobile as well as aeronautical engineering. As well, after that, I finished my bachelor's in Bharatiyar College of Engineering and Technology, which is affiliated to Pondicherry University. In that, my scope of my project is about alternate fuel using ethanol blended with diesel, using 1,4-dioxane. Scope of my project regarding is finding out the better solution with respect to alternate fuel, and finding out the ratio of mixture with respect to diesel as well as with ratio of diesel with compared to ethanol, and getting an optimized value in which condition we can run an engine with which will be better which compared to rare diesel engine. And my area of interest regarding some of interest in working with some of the automobile components in FEA as well as in Airbus departure flow management, and I have I have some exposures through stress analysis as well as in FEA tools. I have been expertise in developing product related to part modeling in 2D as well as 3D in SolidWorks as well as in AutoCAD. Now recently I have been developing the product using hypermesh and creating an analysis using Nastron, Patron and ANSYS as well as with Radios and artistic. Hobbies regarding going on to surfing with some of the latest technology which has been implemented through software as well as implemented through the working real-time working projects with respect to design as well as in manufacturing. I have just got some of the experience with respect to enterprise resource management as well as in material management system, and I have some of the interest in production side also. And my way of choosing to the mechanical field, which just started from my schoolings. I was just interested in rotating parts as well as some of the motion parts, in which is practical when compared to the theoretical. That forced me to enter into the mechanical field, and now I am just satisfied with it. If I given a better opportunity in a better organization, I will be developing my knowledge as well as developing my skills with respect to the company as well as providing a better name and fame to the organization. Thank you.